Tonight is a evening where students and parents are able to get assistance with the FAFSA, which is the free application for student aid. Tonight is not the only night where they can come and receive that help. They can of course reach out to us, and we are all more than happy to assist them.
I'm gonna ask them about financial aid because for financial support. And then when I go to university, I want to get a good engineering program, either electrical or civil. It's important for me to get financial aid this early because I won't have much opportunity afterwards.
This is their first time going through the process. It may be overwhelming. So here we have professionals who can assist them from the financial aid office, from South Texas College, as well as us as their college and career specialists who can help them along, the entire process as well.
Honestly, coming in with hopefully they can give me some answers, but I know I'm here for some FAFSA and for financial aid and to sign up for it because it's needed. So I want to go into the nursing program, and hopefully it helps my nursing expenses because I know it's going to be pretty expensive. I'm a little nervous, so just the whole college thing is very nerve-wracking, but I'm excited to get the move, just start going with the college stuff and get ahead.